Almonds are rich in quality protein, vitamin E, magnesium, fiber and many key amino acids, which are beneficial for the body. Here are some health benefits of eating almonds every day. Improves brain power. Almonds are considered one of the best foods for your brain. Almonds contain two vital brain nutrients, riboflavin and L-carnitine, that boost brain activity. Helps in weight loss. Almonds helps in weight reduction due to nutrient density. They are low in calories but will keep you full longer time. Reduce heart attack risk. There are many nutrients in almonds that contribute to heart health. You consume nuts 5